TFRCA, the Educational and Research Wing of Travancore Foundation, is pleased to announce the introduction of a postgraduate diploma in geriatric care management in collaboration with Marian College Kuttikanam Autonomous. The one-year PG diploma course offered by TFRCA is the first interdisciplinary focus program in geriatric care management offered jointly by a service and an educational-based institution. We are proud to present the inaugural function of PGDGCM, the first course of TFRCA, by the Honorable Vice Chancellor of MG University, Dr. Sabu Thomas.
കേരളത്തിലൊരു പക്ഷേ വിധവപ്രദമായിട്ട് വളരെ വ്യത്യസ്തമായ ഒരു കോഴ്സ് ആരംഭിക്കുന്നതിൻ്റെ പ്രാരംഭമായ ഈ ചടങ്ങിൽ പങ്കെടുക്കാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞതിൽ എനിക്കേറെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. കരകച്ചാൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഈ ഒരു കൊച്ചു ഗ്രാമത്തിലെ 11 വർഷങ്ങൾക്ക് മുൻപാണ് പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട ജിജി ഫിലിപ്പിൻ്റെയും അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ സുഹൃത്തുക്കളുടെയൊക്കെ നേതൃത്വത്തിൽ ട്രാവൻകൂർ ഫൗണ്ടേഷൻ എന്ന ഈ സ്ഥാപനത്തിന് തുടക്കമിട്ടത്. കഴിഞ്ഞ ഒരു പതിറ്റാണ്ടായി അക്ഷരാർത്ഥത്തിൽ പ്രവർത്തനത്തിൻ്റെ മികവ് കൊണ്ടും കാഴ്ചപ്പാടിൻ്റെ സുതാര്യത കൊണ്ടും ഏറ്റവും ശ്രദ്ധാർഹമായ കേരളത്തിലെ ഒരു സ്ഥാപനമായി ട്രാവൻകൂർ ഫൗണ്ടേഷനെ മാറ്റിയെടുക്കാൻ ഇതിൻ്റെ സംഘാടകർക്ക് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട് എന്നുള്ള കാര്യത്തിൽ യാതൊരു സംശയവുമില്ല. ഒരു അയൽവാസി കൂടിയായ എന്നെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം ഞാൻ ഈ സ്ഥാപനത്തിലെ പലതവണ കടന്നു വരുന്ന ഒരു സന്ദർശകൻ കൂടിയാണ്. അവിടുത്തെ സംവിധാനങ്ങളും സൗകര്യങ്ങളും പ്രവർത്തന രീതികളുമൊക്കെ തന്നെ അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ വളരെയേറെ അടുത്ത് അറിയാനായിട്ട് എനിക്ക് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. അവിടുത്തെ അന്തേവാസികളായി കടന്നു വരുന്ന ആളുകളെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം അവരെ അവിടെ എത്തിക്കുന്ന അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവരുടെ മാതാപിതാക്കൾ ഉൾപ്പെടെയുള്ള ആളുകളെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം ഏറ്റവും സുരക്ഷിതമായ ഒരു സ്ഥലത്താണ് അവർ എന്നുള്ള കാര്യത്തിൽ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും സന്തോഷിക്കാനും അഭിമാനിക്കാനും കഴിയുമെന്നുള്ള കാര്യത്തിനും യാതൊരു സംശയവുമില്ല. ഇതിനു വേണ്ടിയുള്ള കൂടുതൽ പഠനങ്ങളും ഗവേഷണങ്ങളും സൗകര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഒരുക്കുന്നതിനും അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു അക്കാദമിക് തലത്തിലേക്ക് നമ്മുടെ സമൂഹത്തിലെ പ്രായമായവരുടെ പ്രശ്നങ്ങളെ മനസ്സിലാക്കുന്നതിനും വേണ്ടിയുള്ള ഒരു ആശയം എന്ന നിലയിൽ ഡോക്ടർ രേണു വർഗീസിൻ്റെ നേതൃത്വത്തിൽ അത്തരമൊരു സ്ഥാപനത്തിന് ഒരു സംവിധാനത്തിൽ തുടക്കമിട്ടത്. ഇന്ന് ഈ മുഹൂർത്തത്തിലെ നമ്മളെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം ഏറ്റവും അഭിമാനകരമായ കാര്യം ഇന്ന് എർക്കായുടെ നേതൃത്വത്തിൽ ട്രാവൻകൂർ ഫൗണ്ടേഷൻ കേരളത്തിൽ തന്നെ ഒരുപക്ഷെ ഇന്ത്യയിൽ തന്നെ എന്ന് ഞാൻ പറയാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുകയാണ്. എൻ്റെ പരിമിതമായ അറിവിൽ ഞാൻ മനസ്സിലാക്കുന്നിടത്തോളം ഈ വാർദ്ധക്യത്തിലേക്ക് കടന്നു വന്ന ആളുകളെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം അവരുടെ പ്രശ്നങ്ങളെ മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ അത് പഠിക്കുവാൻ വേണ്ടിയുള്ള അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ആ രംഗത്ത് ഒരുപക്ഷെ നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ നൽകുന്ന സേവനങ്ങൾ അത് കേവലമായ സേവനങ്ങൾ മാത്രമാകുമ്പോൾ ആ സേവനങ്ങൾക്കപ്പുറത്ത് ആ മേഖലയെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം ഒരു മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റ് തലത്തിലേക്ക് അതിനെ കൊണ്ടുവരാൻ വേണ്ടി അതിന് നൽകുന്ന സേവനങ്ങളെ ഒരു മാനേജർ അർത്ഥത്തിൽ അതിനെ എങ്ങനെ മാനേജ് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയുമെന്നുള്ളത് സംബന്ധിച്ചുള്ള കാര്യമായ കോഴ്സുകളോ പഠനങ്ങളോ ഗവേഷണങ്ങളോ ഒന്നും തന്നെ കേരളത്തിലോ ഇന്ത്യയിലോ കൂടുതലായിട്ടുണ്ടായിട്ടില്ല. പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് കേരളത്തിലെ സാമൂഹിക അന്തരീക്ഷത്തിൽ നമുക്കറിയാം, വാർദ്ധക്യത്തിലേക്ക് കടന്നു വരുന്ന ആളുകളുടെ എണ്ണം വർദ്ധിക്കുകയും നമ്മുടെ ജീവിതദൈർഘ്യം വർദ്ധിക്കുകയും ചെയ്തൊരു സാഹചര്യത്തിൽ സമൂഹത്തിലെ വലിയ ജനസംഖ്യയുടെ വലിയൊരു ഭാഗം യഥാർത്ഥത്തിൽ അവരാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ അവരുടെ പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കാനും പഠിക്കാനും അതിനെ ക്രിയാത്മകമായ നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങൾ സമർപ്പിക്കാനും അതിൻ്റെ ശാരീരികമായ അവസ്ഥകളോടൊപ്പം അവരെ പരീക്ഷിക്കുന്ന ശാരീരികമായ അവസ്ഥകളോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു സൈക്കോ സോഷ്യൽ സാഹചര്യങ്ങളെ കൂടി അതിൻ്റെ തലങ്ങൾ കൂടി മനസ്സിലാക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് അതിനാവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള പഠനങ്ങളും അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെയുള്ള സംവിധാനങ്ങളും അതിനുള്ള ഒരു മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റ് സംവിധാനം കൂടി രൂപപ്പെടുത്തുക എന്നുള്ളത് വളരെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട കാര്യമാണ്. ഈ കോഴ്സിൻ്റെ ഒരു ക്രെഡിബിലിറ്റി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, ഒരു അക്കൗണ്ടബിലിറ്റി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് മഹാത്മാഗാന്ധി സർവകലാശാലയാണ് ബോർഡ് ഓഫ് സ്റ്റഡീസ് അംഗീകരിച്ച സിലബസിൻ്റെ അടിസ്ഥാനത്തിൽ കേരളത്തിലെ തന്നെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ പ്രശസ്തമായ സ്ഥാപനമായ കുട്ടിക്കാനം മരിയൻ കോളേജിൻ്റെ നേതൃത്വത്തിലാണ് ഈ കോഴ്സ് കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഒരു വർഷം നീണ്ടു നിൽക്കുന്ന ഈ കോഴ്സ് തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ സൂചിപ്പിച്ചതുപോലെ ഈ രംഗത്ത് വരാൻ പോകുന്ന കേരളത്തിൻ്റെ ഒരു വലിയ ഡിമാൻഡ്, കാരണം എല്ലാ രംഗത്തിലും ആളുകളുടെ സാന്നിധ്യമുണ്ടെങ്കിലും കേരളത്തിൽ ഇനിയും വരാൻ പോകുന്ന ഡിമാൻഡ് ഇത്തരം വാർദ്ധക്യമുള്ള ആളുകളുടെ പരിരക്ഷയുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റ് സംവിധാനത്തെ എങ്ങനെ രൂപപ്പെടുത്തിയെടുക്കാൻ കഴിയുമെന്നുള്ള നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഒരു സർവീസ് ഗിവിങ് എന്നുള്ള ഒരു അർത്ഥത്തിനപ്പുറത്തേക്ക് ആ സർവീസ് ഗിവിങ്ങിൻ്റെ ഒരു മാനേജർ തലത്തിലേക്ക് അതിനെ കൊണ്ടുവരാനായിട്ട് എങ്ങനെ കഴിയുമെന്നുള്ളതിനുള്ള ഒരു വലിയ ഉത്തരമായി യഥാർത്ഥത്തിൽ ഈ പോസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രാജുവേറ്റ് ഡിപ്ലോമ ഇൻ ജെറിയാട്രിക് കെയർ ആൻഡ് മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റ് എന്ന ഈ പോസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രാജുവേറ്റ് ഡിപ്ലോമ കോഴ്സ് യഥാർത്ഥത്തിൽ അതിനുള്ള ഒരു ഉത്തരമായി മാറും എന്ന് ഞാൻ വളരെ ആത്മാർത്ഥമായി വിശ്വസിക്കുകയാണ്. ഗവേഷണങ്ങളുടെയും പഠനങ്ങളുടെയും ഒക്കെ ഒരു കാലഘട്ടത്തിലൂടെ നമ്മൾ കടന്നു പോകുമ്പോൾ ഇതുപോലുള്ള കോഴ്സുകൾക്ക്, ഇത്തരം പോസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രാജുവേറ്റ് ഡിപ്ലോമ കോഴ്സുകൾ, പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് ജെറിയാട്രിക് കെയർ ആൻഡ് മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടുള്ള കോഴ്സുകൾക്ക് ഏറെ പ്രസക്തിയുണ്ട് എന്ന് ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി അടിവരയിട്ട് സൂചിപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഇതിന് നേതൃത്വം നൽകുന്ന ട്രാവൻകൂർ ഫൗണ്ടേഷൻ്റെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട എല്ലാവരെയും ഏറ്റവും ആത്മാർത്ഥമായി ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി അഭിനന്ദിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ എളിയ വാക്കുകൾ അവസാനിപ്പിക്കുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
This is a celebratory moment, the moment that we rejoice because the dream has turned into reality. I am very honored and deeply humbled to be here today because this is where I can tell you with confidence that I've been privileged to work with a team of members dedicated and committed to the cause to turn a little dream into a big reality. Aging research in India started in 1950s and 1960s in the disciplines of biology, geriatric medicine, behavioral sciences, and social gerontology. However, in contrast to the research, gerontological education was always slow in the development process in India. A major development in aging education, gerontology education, happened in 1983 when our first Center for Research on Aging was established in SV University Department Psychology in Andhra Pradesh. They have started 1983, they have started 1976, many of the programs, especially the graduate program, and thereafter some of the diploma programs. I am so privileged to have association with the center from 2000, and thereafter they were my collaborative partners for the Fulbright research when I came to India in 2015 as a Fulbright scholar. Despite the recommendations of Government of India to incorporate gerontology education into courses and into disciplines, we are still lagging behind. Yet we have some programs in colleges now in discipline of social work, psychology, and also in home science and anthropology. However, we don't have any courses that focus on interdisciplinary collaboration or experiential learning, which is hands-on learning. WHO is calling on us for a concerted and collaborative and a catalytic movement to improve our elders. Travancore Foundation, with the appropriate soil for geriatric care seeds to bloom, we envision that if the scholars want to be proficient in gerontology or they want to acquire more knowledge, Travancore Foundation, an institution, would be appropriate for them, provided we have collaboration or an affiliation with the university or a college like Marine College Kuttikkanam. I am so blessed to say that the faculty of Marine College Kuttikkanam was with us every step of the way to make this happen. The mission of us for the graduate is to become effective and transformative leaders, to have a passion for lifelong learning, and to be able to have compassion for caring for the elders, and to be effective leaders to bring changes for the world of tomorrow. Yes, it takes skill sets, it takes competencies to train them to stand against the changes of culture and our technologies. We are afraid that artificial intelligence is going to come and take all the jobs. But how do we prepare our students? They need to embrace the technical and the cultural changes that they face today. They need to be effective problem solvers. They need to have a translation of the knowledge from the bench to the bedside. We are looking for compassionate care providers for our elders. We are looking for scholars and gerontology educated students so that we can have our elders' quality of life better. What WHO asks us, we can do for them. But students will need to have a holistic education. Those who are problem solvers to look at in a multidisciplinary way so that they can solve the problems in a better way. Yes, this is a tall order. Today is the inauguration. However, I believe that we have begun our work way before. We have long way to go. However, I have deep confidence in the teamwork that we do, the perspectives, and the challenges that we take. We can make sure that we are able to work for the cause. That is the quality of care. Us, with students, faculty, board of trustees, and community partners, we can do that. I solicit your cooperation and your support as we begin a new chapter, that is TF IRCA. Thank you for being here today. Thank you to all those who work behind the scene to make this a great success. Thank you. God bless you all.
Let me first congratulate the Travancore Foundation and also Father Roy, the principal of Marian College, Kutikanam, for organizing such a wonderful event. They are starting a new course on postgraduate diploma in geriatrics, care and management. I wish all the best for the program. From the part of Mahatma Gandhi University, we will give you all the support for the success of this new venture. Probably we all know that there's a great demographic change all over the world. And the reason for the demographic change is the life expectancy is increasing. The birth rate is decreasing. Probably we all know that 100 years ago, the average life expectancy in the world was something like 30 years. That time in India, the life expectancy was 25 years. Because of great advancements in science and technology, the life expectancy is increasing remarkably. In India, it is more than 70 years now. And now we have lots of examples, people living more than 100 years. Again, if you look at country-wise, one of the world's most advanced country in Germany, I have been to Germany several times. If you look at German situation, in 2050, according to UN statistics, more than 40% of the people will be beyond 60 years old. And UN says that in 2050, older people will outnumber youngsters. If you look at China, in 2050, there will be more than 40% of old people for more than 60 years. India has a great demographic dividend now. We all say that the average age of an Indian person now is 29. That of US and China is 39, that of Japan is very close to 40. And we have 49, we have lots of young people. But UN says situation will change. In 2050, we will have something like 173 million old people in this country. So I need foundations like Travancore Foundation should grow in size, grow in activities. If you look at Travancore Foundation, they had a very humble beginning in 2009. Mr. Philip explained about this. And I'm glad that Travancore Foundation is taking care of the old people, the elderly people, and they give personalized care. That's a very important part. And another important agenda of Travancore Foundation is education research. They are cooperating with Father Roy, Marian College Kutikanam, in starting a new program, postgraduate diploma on geriatrics care and management. That's extremely important. And they are going to start a lot of research on aging. And to me, I think this is very, very important because we are going to have lots of old people in this country. And we have to give them lots of care. Probably you all know that lots of old people now want to stay in places where they have a lot of security, they get safety, they get medical care, they get personalized attention. These are all very, very important. And I'm sure that for any institution to excel, there are a few important points. One is the teamwork. Teamwork is extremely important. Your all activity should be transparent. The quality of job, whatever job you're doing, it should be excellent. It should be outstanding. In this respect, I am glad that Mr. Philip has a wonderful program. I request Philip that you should make a vision document because you have completed 10 years of a service for the society. Make an excellent vision document. And Mahatma Gandhi University will be there to support you. And I have one more request, to Mr. Philip, that you must also start something for the marginalized society. Probably we all know that the Thomas Churton in Medical College. You should also start something like that. You have a wonderful institute serving the elderly people. Probably they are economically quite good, but think of starting something for the marginalized society. I can give an example. When I went to Russia, I have a big program going on with Russia, with Siberian Federal University. When I entered into the Vice Chancellor's room, the President's room of Siberian Federal University, I was really fascinated by reading a small write-up. It was written in English and in Russian. The short form was ESSIDA, E-S-S-S-I-D-A. I asked Professor Tatiana, the president of the Siberian Federal University, what is ESSIDA? And she said, the first E stands for equality. He said, my university stands for equality. And there are 3 S. The second S is social justice. She said, my institute stands for social justice. And the third S was, my university stands for secularism. My university stands for sustainability, inclusiveness, diversity, accessibility. I request Philip, ESSIDA should be your slogan. I want this institute to be extremely active. It should be very helpful to society. And I'm glad that you are doing a wonderful job taking care of the elderly people and you are giving them personalized care. And now you are associating with Father Roy, the Marian College Kutikana. This is one of our excellent institutes of Mahatma Gandhi University. I'm very glad to announce that. Under Father Roy's leadership, Marian College is doing extremely well. This is one of the best autonomous colleges of MGU. I'm glad that you are associating with him to start a postgraduate diploma program on geriatrics, care and management. I also request Mr. Philip, as Dr. Renu indicated, you must have an excellent syllabi. I would say outcome-based syllabi. And all the elements of artificial intelligence, robotics, data science, all modern topics should be incorporated in the syllabi. So please make an excellent syllabi and please mold excellent people as a result of this program. And Mahatma Gandhi University will be extremely happy to provide all support for this program. Probably we all know that Mahatma Gandhi University has a center for short-term courses, which we are going to start online too. So please initiate some online content also in this program. Probably I will recommend a 70-30 sort of blended mode of teaching. So I wish you all the best and all success. With all your permission, I declare that the educational and research program of Travancore Foundation has been inaugurated, and wish you all success and all the best. Thank you so much. And I also wish all the best for Marian College Kuttikanam in associating with these institutions. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. All the best.
I am indeed very, very happy to be present on this occasion, the inauguration of the academic program by Travancore Foundation, joining with Marian. In fact, geriatric care was not a professional, was not given a professional approach by many of the geriatric care organizations. They consider it mostly as a social service than as a part of the social work, which need to be more professional in line. So what we intend to give them is the kind of professional expertise that might be required along with the social service attitude in caring for the elderly. Recently, as you know, the national education policy was announced by the central government, and it plans to incorporate vocational training program along with other academic programs within the college. So maybe these type of experiments can definitely pave way to incorporate such curriculum into the regular pedagogical exercises happening within the college. In Kerala, as you know, there is a growing population of elderly, unlike in other states of India. Happens definitely because of the low birth rate and high life expectancy rate, as is already indicated by Dr. Sabu Thomas. It's also because of the migration that happens within the state. Many people, for various reasons, including to attain a livelihood for their family, had to leave their place of accommodation, or they have to leave their hometown and go either abroad or other parts of the country. So that leaves most of the elderly back home, and there needs to have for elderly care. I'm sure the first step made today would definitely be adding a lot of value in geriatric care. I wish all the success. I'm very, very happy that Travancore Foundation, Mr. Gigi Philip and Dr. Renu Varghese has approached Marian to give a support in this regard. Marian wholeheartedly is willing to give whatever possible support we will be able to extend to geriatric care. And Marian, being a Christian organization, is Catholic organization, is very much into the value of caring for the elderly. And we will be 100% willing to give all our support. Wish you the very best, and congratulations and appreciations to all the members of Travancore Foundation. Thank you.
Marian School of Social Work at Marian College, Kuttikanam is extremely happy to work with Travancore Foundation for the welfare of the old age people in India. We all know that Travancore Foundation has been doing a tremendous work with regard to protection and care of old age people in Kerala. Studies show that across the globe, the number of old age people is on the increase. In Kerala too, the studies show that by 2030, the percentage of old age people will be increased by 20% of the total population in the state. This is both a positive as well as it has got both positive as well as negative connotations. The positive side is that the increased life expectancy of the population in the state, and also it shows the improvement in the health status of the people. But on the other side, the increased percentage of old age people leads to a lot of new challenges. We need to rise to the occasion, and we need to have people trained professionally to work with the old age people. We need to improvise the quality of people working with the old age people. And I am sure that this collaboration with Travancore Foundation will generate a good number of people who are trained and who are professionally competent in looking after the welfare of the old age people. And thereby, I am sure this collaboration will lead to meaningful efforts in terms of catering to the physical, emotional and psychological problems of the old age people. And I make use of this opportunity to appreciate Travancore Foundation and also wish all success for their future endeavors. Thank you very much.
I am very happy to see that the first initiative under the collaboration between Marian College Kuttikkanam and the Travancore Foundation has come into existence in the form of the postgraduate diploma in geriatric care and management. The program has been initiated with two major purposes in mind. One, the professionalization of geriatric care and management, and two, to raise employability of social workers and nurses. As the demographic patterns change, the proportion of the aged increase and there is high demand and need for the care and management of old people. This care and management cannot be left to unprofessional hands. Rather, the care and management have to be done by trained professionals. This PG diploma equips the candidates for such professional care and management of the aged. Qualification obtained through this PG diploma will increase the employability of the candidates too, especially in foreign institutions where there is a demand for qualified professionals for geriatric care and management. And we know it is a time of networking and collaboration for making achievements which otherwise not possible. Here also, when the strengths and potentials of the two institutions, Marian College and Travancore Foundation, meet together, I am sure that we will make great achievements. I wish everything best for the program.
One thing we have to note in this particular program that we are going to implement is it's a special one in academic field because it's a need of the hour. So that is the one thing I would like to say. And more than 500 elderly care homes in Kerala already we have, and a different type of activities they are conducting there. Especially why it is peculiar what I am saying, the educational things are very seldom in Kerala related to elderly. Research are not going up very well. At the same time, that the degree programs, diploma programs are not up to the mark. So it's a good initiative by the joint collaboration of Marian College Kuttikanam and Travancore Foundation. And why this Travancore Foundation has lot of knowledge for implementing in such an activity, but particularly this postgraduate diploma program. Why I'm saying they have personalized care. That is very much important for implementing such an activity. Like every person or every inmates in the Travancore Foundation are getting personalized care. They have different type of assessment program. So all these things will help the students a lot for getting additional knowledge, like because for getting knowledge from the teachers, Googling all these things will not help them, because if you go through the syllabus that we have framed in 2 semesters, the most of the things are practically oriented, because theory and the integration of practice. So both will help the students to know about actually how they can give care to the elderly in a proper way. And we have already received more than 40 applications for this program. And I hope they have conducted interviews also, various interviews also. So all these things, because it's a beginning of the new era. In this COVID era, because the care is also very much important. So elderly care particularly, because they are one of the most threatened areas to be discussed. So on behalf of Marian College Kuttikanam and School of Social Work, I extend all my sincere thanks for Travancore Foundations to collaborate such a wonderful event. Okay, all the best for the team. Thank you.
It is my honor to propose a formal vote of thanks. The thought of an institutional-based education program in geriatric care was conceived in our mind with our chairperson, Dr. Renu Abraham Verghese, joining the board during 2019. An innovative and unique approach
to experiential learning, combining service and education
was our vision. We knew that Marian College would be the right fit for us, and today it has become a reality. As you know, an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels started rolling many months ago in planning. However, a virtual inauguration was the only possibility during this pandemic, COVID-19. I would like to thank our dear MLA, Dr. N. Jayaraj, for his continued support to our mission and for his blessings and for his presence today with us. On behalf of Travancore Foundation and TFRCA, let me place on record our gratitude to the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mahatma Gandhi University, Dr. Sabu Thomas, for inaugurating our institution TFRCA and announcing PGDGCM open. Respected Sir, we are greatly moved by your presence and your inspirational words. Similarly, your inspirational words will greatly motivate the minds of future, the innovators of tomorrow. Reverend Dr. Roy Abraham, the principal of Marian College, has been giving us 100% support right from the proposal for such a collaboration. Father, we thank you for your encouragement and support. I thank Reverend Dr. Habib Matthew, the former director of School of Social Work, Marian College Kuttikanam, for his continued support from the very beginning of this proposal till now, and shaping this diploma program of this caliber. Thank you,
Dr. C.B. Joseph, the present Director of School of Social Work, Marian College, Kuttikanam, and Brother Joseph Charuplakal, Head of the Department, School of Social Work, for seeing the immense possibilities for students in this collaboration and taking a lead role in making this again a reality. Thank you very much. Working with Dr. Rasi on the syllabus and other details of the program for many weeks and months until it was in the correct format to be approved by the Academic Council. We must especially appreciate Ajesh P. Joseph sir for giving timely input and suggestions and making himself available for us to rely on his wealth of experience. Our sincere thanks to Ms. Princey Sebastian and Father Robin and all other faculty members at School of Social Work, Marian College, for their support to us. We are fortunate to be backed by a team of motivated and dedicated individuals in the completion of this task. It's my great pleasure to express on behalf of the organization a deep appreciation for the support and encouragement provided by members of the board, all the staff members of Travancore Foundation, the residents at Mission Valley, and all well-wishers of TFRCA. We promise you a strong academic program grounded on theory and practice, ensuring graduates with the right set of skills to transform geriatric care in a totally new perspective for elders locally, nationally, and globally. Once again, thank you to all of you for being with us today. Thank you very much.